How's it going, everybody? I'm Cherokee Ronnie and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to relocate your shock brackets for free. You can get on the internet or eBay, Amazon, and find these brackets from anywhere from 26 bucks to $40, just depends. But I'm actually going to cut them off the Cherokee and reuse them, and that way I can save money by just moving them up. You can put these anywhere you want. Just make sure you don't get your shocks in a bind. But today I'm going to show you guys how I cut them off and put them higher on the rear end, and how I did it for free. Now you'll also see in this video that I had to weld studs because mine broke off. If you want to see how I repaired where I broke the bolt off on the shock bracket itself, I'll leave the link in the description below, and I'll leave a little icon above you can click on and go watch that. It's very helpful. But let's go out here and cut these brackets off and show you how to do it for free. We're going to cut these off, move them farther up on both sides. Alright, so we got it cut off, and we're going to turn it upside down and put it somewhere like this. I went ahead and cut the sharp points off of it, as you can see there. That way it's kind of flat. I already did one of them. We got to weld a stud on there. But I'm going to go ahead and cut that one. As you can see, I kind of took a flap wheel and made it kind of round. We got it on. It's out of the way. It looks really, really good. Got the other one done. Got to finish shaving the bottom so I can make it look a little bit cleaner, but I'm impressed. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You don't need a 5-hour long video on how to do this. A lot of people will just buy them, which I don't like doing, because if you can reuse something, I believe in reusing something, and if it saves you a little bit of money, you know, save a little bit of money. Like I said, I do have to shave mine a little bit more cleaner, so it's a lot more natural looking. But as you can see, I gained so much clearance right here, so I'm not going to drag on anything. That's basically how you do it. It's pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy. Just got to know how to weld and grind a little bit. Like I showed, I took a flap wheel and I kind of made it round in the middle, you know, kind of dipped it in to where it fit naturally on the rear end. Just keep doing that until it's to your desired fitment, and then go ahead and tack it in place. Make sure everything's straight, make sure everything's where you want it. Go ahead and burn it in. Pretty self-explanatory. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. I'm Cherokee Ronnie. Stay dirty, my friends.